So today we're going to be making our own DIY holiday ornament. Get this little ornament right here. And it just pulls apart. It's very simple. Like that. Like that. And then I have my paints, my glitter to decorate the outside of the ornament. And then for the inside, I have this fun little styrofoam green fake snow looking stuff. And then I have these little holiday colored pom-poms. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the green styrofoam and I'm just going to fill it halfway into the ornament. Lastly, I will be adding little pom-poms. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put this lid on top of the other one. So now I'm just going to take a brush. And I don't really know what I'm going to put on here. I might just do like little dots. I think that would be cute. So after I painted the dots on the outside, this is the end of the DIY Christmas ornament.